Good evening to you. Temperatures around the area today starting to warm up, especially over the western counties, but we've got even warmer weather out ahead. Not much in the way of rain right now out of these clouds off to the north, but you can see them passing through. There's a few light showers in those up, especially toward Brown County. 78 degrees right now. Southeast wind at 15 miles per hour. Humidity's been on the rise. 78's the high so far in Topeka. Western counties and especially western part of the state a lot hotter. Upper 80s to low 90s at Liberal, 88 at Pratt and Wichita, and that warmth will be expanding eastward heading into the day tomorrow. Already starting to get into the western counties. 83 at Manhattan and Junction City, 84 at Concordia. Had a couple of early day showers pop up around Fort Riley and Junction City, but most of those have since fizzled. You tack on the humidity, the heat index already to 90 at Salina, 87 for Clay Center, and 86 at Junction City, and even feels like 80 in Topeka. These numbers will be even higher tomorrow as even higher humidities coming in. Southeasterly winds at about 15 miles per hour for a while this evening as we track that humidity tomorrow, or I should say this evening, 11 o'clock, still fairly high, but by tomorrow, a good start to the day, fairly humid, and then darker greens showing up. That's even more humid. Muggy air in place by tomorrow afternoon. And so what we expect on how it's going to feel, just how humid it will be up in the muggy category as we head into the daytime tomorrow. And you'll certainly feel every bit of that out there. Heat index on Future Track, upper 60s to around 70 in the morning. Will start to climb upper 70s to near 80 by 10:30, and then on into the low to mid 90s for a heat index. Not the temperature, but that's how it's going to feel by tomorrow afternoon. Thankfully, there will be a breeze stirring things up a bit. Here's a look at some of those showers over the northeastern part of the state. Parts of Brown, Donovan, and Atchison counties getting some sprinkles out of that. That'll push on through. And then Future Track shows pretty dry conditions tonight and into the early part of the day tomorrow. Things will likely just be partly cloudy, and we'll enjoy a lot of sunshine, but it will be hot. Some scattered showers and storms will develop off to the north, and some of those will be dropping through the area tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Some rounds of showers and storms will be around, and then additional rounds will be possible as we head into the daytime Thursday. Some of those late tomorrow could be strong to severe, especially northwestern Kansas, but a slight risk goes all the way into our northern counties. Holton, Manhattan, Junction City to Salina also in it, but mostly the northern and northwestern half of the area could see some strong storms late tomorrow. Tonight, partly cloudy, breezy and humid, southeasterly winds and a low around 65, some areas upper 60s for the low temperature tomorrow morning. And then the humidity builds in even more. The high of 87 will feel like 93, 94 degrees at times. Storms will be later toward the evening and overnight hours especially, and then scattered storms again on Thursday with a high in the upper 80s. Chances will gradually drop back, not go away entirely. In this pattern, you really can't rule out pop-up thunderstorms. All it takes is just the winds kind of converging together. It'll pop up some clouds, and with the heat and humidity expected for the next several days, can't rule out a stray shower or a thunderstorm. Again, tomorrow late, there is a chance at least some of those could be strong to severe. Just a good reminder, you need to have a weather radio ready. These storms can occasionally flare up to some stronger intensity, and a great way to keep on top of that. They're available at Hy-Vee, Orscheln Farm and Home, and Walgreens.
It sounds like with the humidity returning, about time to turn those air conditioning units back on again, right?
Back on and full blast, I think.
Going to need it. Yeah. Thanks, Matt.